The weather forecast was mostly cloudy again, so I chose stable foods again that could handle slow roasting throughout the entire day. Spiced them up real good, and I put them inside the Sport on a nice cloudy afternoon. I'm hoping I can get a meal in today. All right, it's day 11, and again, it's a cloudy day, but as you can see behind me, there's some blue sky, some windows of light. I made myself another easy meal today. I'm hoping that it's done. Last night I cooked for about 40 people and didn't eat, but this is some of the leftovers from last night. So these are ham and cheese sandwiches that I'm just reheating. You don't have to go too fancy with your GoSun. You can simply reheat. Looks like they cleaned up some of the gunk that was stuck inside the stove there. Yum. That's nice and hot, and looks like I have succeeded in making another hot meal for the day. Good. Oh yeah. Well, my gal sounds good old pal. She walks just like a water. Having a hot meal on a cool, rainy day is really a treat. It makes me think I can cook with the GoSun through just about anything. I took some time to read more about solar energy, see how the ancient ones had been harnessing the power. Here it is, the Olympic torch being lit. Ran into some dear friends and got to see spring popping up out of the earth. Granola! Yeah, roasted granola, folks. Yummy! Smell awesome. The roasted nuts were a treat. Almost a little overcooked since I wasn't around to stir them and check them. But now I've got a little treat for tomorrow, no matter what the weather brings.